How to add your Twitch link to TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add Twitch link on TikTok. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to go to twitch.tv and make sure that you're logged into your account. From here, navigate to top right, click on your profile, then head over to channel. So once you're here, you have to head over to the address bar at the top. So you have to copy this link to your channel on Twitch. So you have to copy the URL from the top. Once you copied your URL of your Twitch channel, then you have to open up TikTok and make sure that you logged into your account. So once you're on the tiktok.com, go to your profile by clicking on the profile from the menu bar on your left hand side. From your profile, click on edit profile button. Now here, since there is no direct option to add the link, we can add our Twitch link on the device section. Here you could type in join me on Twitch. Then you can simply paste the link that you have copied from the Twitch. Once you do that, click on save and you have added your link on your bio. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.